Clark Reid with today's tech headlines. Please give us a like if you enjoy these reports or find them useful. Tickle that like button, and you can also subscribe. Then you know when each new report is ready for you, and you can check it out. As we've covered here, and others have as well, Google continues to make search more AI-driven. A lot of people have complained about the AI overview and how links are placed under it. Well, 9to5google.com is reporting Google is introducing a new opt-out toggle in the search console to determine whether a site appears in and is used in helping ground generative AI features. Now, sites that do opt out will not receive traffic or impressions from AI overviews, AI mode, or AI overviews in Google Discover. However, they will continue to appear in regular Google search results and in the Discover feed. Now, there's a big caveat. It doesn't apply to the Gemini app. Google is giving website publishers a new generative AI search and new stats in the console also, and the insights include impressions metrics, which pages appear in the AI responses, and they'll also let you know what countries they are coming from. In the latest earnings call, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg intimated that Meta has major plans for AI agents, and now there's some movement in that direction. According to Engadget.com, they've launched AI agent tools for businesses that rely on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Meta Business Agent will let business owners delegate many daily tasks like interacting with customers and booking appointments. Meta even claims the agent will have the ability to close sales and recommend products. Meta they note that the humans can jump in at any time and take control of the interaction. Zuckerberg says the ultimate goal, though, is for agents to eventually help you run your whole business. It's a freebie, right? Well, not for long. Meta will place a feature in one of its subscription offerings in the coming months. A class action suit has been filed against Amazon that looks for damages for millions of Americans whose faces may have been recorded by Ring cameras since the Familiar Faces feature was rolled out late last year. Ars Technica.com says the suit lists $5 million in damages, but that's a legal threshold. The plaintiffs are actually going to seek a whole lot more money than that. What is the uproar about? Well, Ring's Familiar Faces feature is designed to identify people who appear at one's door and provide alerts to the owner of the camera. Amazon says Familiar Faces is not enabled by default, but that owners of Ring cameras can turn it on. Ring camera users can then create personal directories of up to 50 familiar faces so they can be alerted when one comes to the door. A personal note here. I have a Ring. And while the feature isn't on by default, the app pesters you each time you check it to activate the damn feature. The lawsuit claims the feature violates basic notions of consumer privacy. And besides money damages, the suit does seek an injunction against Amazon, praying for the court to change Amazon's behavior with regards to the Familiar Faces feature. Amazon hasn't commented so far. OpenClaw, which has stormed into computers as an AI assistant, has gotten a lot of attention from the AI and tech communities. After OpenAI scooped up the founder of OpenClaw, TechCrunch.com reports that Microsoft has dropped its own AI agent, which operates similarly. Microsoft's Scout is designed to bring what they're calling power and flexibility to the Microsoft 365 system. It's also an always-on agent and assistant, and it is intended to work alongside the user, mimicking the user's style and identity. Scout is available through Microsoft's Frontier program, which is for early adopters. It requires a GitHub Copilot subscription to use it. Microsoft claims Scout will come with a built-in policy conformance system that will continuously check whether the system is operating according to set guidelines, and each conformance check will produce its own audit trail. This after one of the AI agents, I believe it was OpenClaw, deleted an entire folder that was basically a guy's life work. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.